In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise Australia customer support through phone, chat, and email. Whether you're looking to resolve an issue, ask a question, or simply seek some advice, getting in touch with a customer support representative can be essential. Wise, previously known as TransferWise, offers several support options for their customers in Australia, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience for financial transactions across different currencies. First, let's begin by navigating to Wise's official Australian website. You can do this easily by opening your preferred web browser such as Chrome or Safari and entering wise.com/au into the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll notice the clean layout designed to help you manage your currency transfers seamlessly. Now that you're on Wise Australia's homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the environment. On the top or side of the page, depending on your device, you should see various menu options. Among these, you'll find the Help section. Go ahead and click on it. This section is a gateway to all the resources Wise offers to answer any questions or troubleshoot problems you might have. After clicking on Help, you'll be directed to a page containing information that addresses many common queries and issues. However, if you prefer a more personalized touch or perhaps didn't find the exact answer you needed from the Help articles, there's another step for you. Next, look for an option that says Contact Us. This is your direct line to connect with Wise's customer support team. By selecting this, you get access to various ways to reach out. Wise usually provides options such as phone numbers for reaching representatives directly, live chat for more immediate responses, and email if you prefer written communication. Each of these methods has its own advantages. For quick questions or urgent issues, a phone call might be best. If you are dealing with something less time sensitive, the chat or email options might suit you better, providing you with a record of the exchanges for future reference. Make sure you have any relevant details on hand, such as your account information or any transaction IDs. This preparation will help the support team assist you more effectively. Bear in mind the varying availability and response times depending on the method you choose. Calls might be answered during specific business hours, while emails can take a bit longer for a response. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Wise Australia a breeze. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time, happy navigating!